G'day guys, what is going on? Welcome to a new episode. Hope you guys are doing well. Before I roll in the clips of me boosting around in the R33, we're going to be painting my brake calipers black. This is the paint that I'm using right here. I'm also going to show you guys how to bring out the Nissan logo. I've got a Dremel with the sand on it. So I'm going to show you guys, once I paint my brake calipers, we're going to sand back that Nissan logo, make it nice and silver, and it should stand out with the brake caliper. And before I roll in the clips, I just want to say, if you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So let's go paint my brake calipers and then go hit boost. Alright, the only sandpaper that I had left was 320 grit sandpaper. That should be enough to sand this brake caliper. So what we're going to do is sand all this, and then we're going to cover this. So I'm going to grab your sandpaper and just keep on scrub. The most boringest job ever. So I'm going to skip this part. Man, I've been sanding for such a long time. Like, look at my hands, for ages, and look how much I've only done. Come on, man. I'm so done with sanding. I'm just going to quickly cover the rotor, cover up around here, and just grab the paint and just start painting, because I cannot be bothered sanding anymore. So what you want to do is you want to cover up your rotor with plastic bags, cover up that because of the overspray. This car's going to get a respray down the line, but anyway, for now, I'm going to do a first coat, but we're going to do like bits of sprays here and there. Let it dry for about 10 minutes, come back, and then we'll do the first proper coat. Of course, it starts to get really windy when I need to bloody paint. I know there's going to be a fair few of you people going to be like, oh, why don't you sand it all properly, blah blah blah. Ain't nobody got time for that. Forgot how powerful this paint is, man. This paint shoots like a meter away, man. Holy crap. Man, I'm really not going to be able to finish this today. I'm going to have to continue this video tomorrow. So we're going to chuck on the second coat now. We're going to let it dry, and then I'll grab this Dremel with the sander, and then we'll sand the Nissan logo back. Not bad, it actually turned out pretty good. I'm actually happy with that. I can't wait to put the wheel back on and see what it looks like. But for now, I'm going to quickly sand the Nissan logo. I was going to do it white, but I'm going to see what it looks like silver, because silver might pop out a lot, so we'll see what happens. Just make sure to use masking tape around the area, because you don't want to slip with the sander and end up scratching the paint. All we're going to do is just sand back the Nissan logo and bring it out. Alright dudes, I was going to spray it white, but I actually like the way that it looks with silver. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab some high temperature clear coat, and I'm going to spray it over the Nissan logo, because hell yeah, how much better does it look with the silver Nissan logo popping out? I can't wait for the new brake rotors to come. It's going to make my wheels look so much better as well. Why didn't I do this ages ago when I first bought the car? Actually, I should have done this a very long time ago. How amazing does that look? I am so happy with this. I just wish I started early in the day, because now we're losing daylight. It's going to get dark very soon. So tomorrow morning, getting up very early and finish the rest of the brake calipers. Man, I tell you what guys, I should have done this a long time ago. Look at that. That is bloody awesome. Dudes. So much better. I'm going to chuck the wheel on, and then we'll paint the back calipers. Damn, that looks so good. Holy shit. Should have done this a long bloody time ago. See that Nissan logo? It doesn't stick out as much as it does at the front. This is going to be very difficult to sand. I will give it a shot. Hopefully I can wing it. I'll spray it black and try my best to sand that Nissan logo silver. If not, I'm just going to have to leave it all black. so I couldn't manage to get out the Nissan logo with the Dremel. It was just going to be too much of a pain in the ass, so I've just sprayed them black. And I'm pretty sure, guys, you don't want to see that job again. So Well, that test run went to absolute shit with the amount of spandex cyclists that were around. Man, it doesn't matter what time you go, they're always around riding in the middle of the road, every part of the course they're at. It's just so annoying. The thing is, I love driving late at night. It's more fun, but the problem is I can't take you guys with me because the GoPro just cannot pick up nighttime footage at all. All it picks up is just my dash light and barely anything of the road. So it's like just listening to the car drive late at night, which sucks. So I'm hoping I can find a camera that I can use to mount here that can have better contrast for nighttime. But all honesty, these new tires actually feel phenomenal. I'm actually really happy with these tires. They actually grip up a lot better around the corner, so now I can go into the corners a lot faster, especially when my new brake rotors come and the new brake pads. I feel a lot more confident going faster into corners now, so I can't wait for those parts to arrive. That'll be next for the R33. We are going to go lower in the R33. I'm going to get camber arms soon because I don't want to drop my car too much right now, because if I lower my car, it's just going to camber so much. I'm going to have no more traction. I already don't have that much traction as it is. So it's just annoying when you want to try out your car. Anywhere you go, there's just always people in the way. I wish there was like racetracks that were open, you know, every day. Have a few hour session here and there. We should have something like that, that the course is open up every day so we can go try our cars, come home, work on it, go back to the track, test them out. But we don't have any of that here in Australia, and it really sucks. And I still got to roll my guards as well. And to the ones that are wondering why I was pointing my camera towards my dash, I was trying to pick up the T51 R mod. I'm not sure if the GoPro really picks it up that well, so I was trying to like spool it very slow just so you can hear that whistle. Late at night, if you're driving next to me or walking by, you can actually hear the whistle very loud. It's so sick. Also, with the Clutch Kick Junkie stickers, there is a fair few left of them at Big Cartel Clutch Kick Junkies. Put the text right here. And I also did say when I hit 10,000 subs, I want to start making t-shirts. Now that we're pretty much at 12,000 subscribers, it's time to make t-shirts and long tees as well. So I've got these designs I've got in my head. I just got to draw them out, and then we're going to go get them printed. And then there'll be new t-shirt merch for the Clutch Kick Junkies channel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know the test drive isn't as good as it should be because of all the bloody cyclists, but soon, once all this shit calms down, we're going to head out to the hills, get some mad content with mates, and get some sick videos done with the S14 as well, hitting up tracks. I know I say this a lot, but I do mean it. Thank you guys so much for love and support that you guys leave for the channel, hitting me up on my Instagram, leaving support, showing me your builds. I can't believe how many people have bought Skylines just from watching this channel. So thank you guys so much for paying attention to the videos, leaving all your love and support down in the comment section. Make sure to leave a like. Leave a comment down below. If you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It does help out with the channel. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.